Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how to find the ratio of the area triangle FGH to the area of the triangle ABC. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to set up about the ratio in here, that is between ADC over the triangle ABC. So we can see that they have the same C. So that should be about, we have 1/2. So we can apply the formula to find the area of the triangle. So we have AC multiplied by DC with the side of C. Over 1/2, and that is about AC multiplied by BC. Now we simplify 1/2, side C, AC, AC. So we just have DC over BC, and we know that BC equal to 6 BD. So this is about BD, this is about DC in here. So we know that BC equals to 6 BD, that's in here. So that means DC, that should be about number 5 BD, because this is about 1 BD. The total in here, that is about 6 BD for BC. So DC in here, that is about 5 BD. And now we simplify BD, and we have 5/6. Now let's consider about the triangle ADC and ADE. So we can see that we have the same angle 8. So that means we need to consider about AD multiplied by AE over AD multiplied by AC, because they have the same angle at 8 and 1/2. I simplify, so AD they cancel. So we see that AC equal to 5 EC. So we have AC in here. So AC, that is about 5 EC. So 8E in here. So this one, because we have 5 EC, so AE, that is about 4 EC. So we need to transform AE into 4 EC. So we have 4/5. Now let's go to the triangle ADE to the triangle AGE. So we have the same angle at E. So we need to put AE multiplied by EG over 8E. AE with ED. So A8 we cancel. Now we have EG. We see that DG, GH, HH, they have the same. So EG equals to 2HG. ED, that is about this one, and we can see that this one they have same, so that is about 3HE. So we have 2 over 3. After we got this one, we just have this one left, that is about the triangle AGE and FGH. So they have the same angle at G. So we have GF and GH. Over GA, GE. So G8, we see that AF equal to FG. That means GF equal to G8. That means equal to GF. And G8 equals to 2GH. Now we simplify and we got 1 over 4. Now if we combine all the ratio in here, so this one, that is about 5 over 6. This one, that is about 4 over 5. This one, that is about 2 over 3. This one, that is about 1 over 4. And we know that this one cancel, this one cancel, this one and this one cancel. So we just have the ratio between this one and this one. So we just calculate this one and we have 1 over 9. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.